Boxycharm Boxyluxe for 2019. I don't know where this year went, guys. I have no idea. Anyways, guys, if you are new here, hi, welcome. My name's Rhonda, better known as Hotmess Mama MD, makeup diva, not medical doctor. And here we embrace the hot messness. We pretty much live on nothing but caffeine. And fortunately for us, it's a judgment-free zone. So we like to sit back, have fun, deal with the hot mess hair, and all of that fun stuff. So I hope you decide to subscribe, stick around, click that notification bell. So this is fun because it's actually going to be a try on of some of the products that are in here because I was so excited that it showed up actually really early. So I dove in. And I created this eye look and a couple of other things, but I don't want to spoil it for you guys. So let's talk a little bit about what Boxyluxe is. If you are a Boxycharm member, you do get the option to sign up for this quarterly box. It's like every 3 months. It's $49.99, and it has a retail value of over $275, meaning you are guaranteed at least $275 worth of product in this box for $49.99. Now, when we open it up, which like I said, your girls already opened it up, so it looks like this, and of course it always has a card in here. Now, I'm trying to get better for you guys, talking about variations and how much my boxes weigh, so I went ahead and I mailed it. I weighed it on my Mayo scale and it came to 3 pounds, 8.6 ounces, if that helps you guys. As far as variation, you guys have taught me that the variation code, like here's the front of the box, or the card. Here's the front of the card. And it does look like whimsy is going to be the theme. And then as far as the variation goes, you guys have taught me that right down here in the corner is where we can find the variation, which mine is 11. As far as everything else on the card, it's everything that is in this box, which I'm going to warn you guys, I literally just dropped it. So I'm hoping I was able to get everything back into the box and it's not hiding under my stool or something, but who knows? I mean, yesterday I tripped over my Sephora box. Crunched it, crushed it. Luckily the gift that was in it did not break, thank God. But anyways, okay, so let me move this box over here and let's get to talking about some things. Like I said, this is going to be a try on some of the products, so I will pop a video or a little video over here for you guys so you guys can see how I did get this eye look and a couple of other things. So let's start off with, let me just tell you first of all, there's only one thing in here. I think there's actually multiple items that you can choose from as far as like choice A, choice B. And I only chose one, and I was like, surprise me with the rest. So we're gonna see what the surprise is, because like I said, you do typically get to pick a couple of the items, but I did not, because I wanted to be surprised. So the first item, and I do believe this was one that you could pick between this one and another one. I could be wrong on that, guys. There's like 3 other boxes and you get choices in those too. So I'm sorry if I'm wrong. Please be nice and easy on me in the comment section. By the way, if it helps, I have 2 giveaways going on. Love, peace, and happiness, right? Anywho, the first item is the Storybook Cosmetics, and this is Little Briar Rose, which if I read the card, it says so. So it's a cute little book. It does retail for $55, and I was so excited because this was the one I wanted. There's another one with like more warm burgundies. Here's an up close of the palette. Of course, I've got it turned sideways. But there was another palette to choose from. I was honestly hoping for this one only because I've been eyeballing the ColourPop Frozen palette. And I felt like a lot of these shades were kind of similar to what was in that one. So I was like, oh, I really hope I get this one. And I did, fortunately. And I love it. And this palette right here is what is on my eyes today. Everything on my eyes is from this palette. And I have to say, I really, really like the formula as well. I think it is very easy to work with. As far as the palette goes, there is a little mirror in here. I would be more than happy to come back and do a dedicated video for you guys creating some more looks with this palette. But I think aesthetically, it's so cute. I mean, you could just pop it up on your bookshelf and look like it's a book. But anyways, that is the first item in here. Now this is the item that I actually did choose. And this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Now I have a lot of skincare open right now, so I am not going to open this and like sample it for you guys, but I will show you instead of talking about it. Let me actually show you guys the box. This has a retail value of $79, and I've heard really good things about Elemis. It smells delicious. It smells like rose. If you love rose, oh my god, how cute. This is so cute. This is so expensive. So this is the one thing that I absolutely love about Boxycharm is it gives you the opportunity to try out really expensive things for like not so much expensive, you know what I'm saying? So very happy about that. I always heard really good things about rose oil. Oh, it's good for fine lines and wrinkles. I'm 41 years old, guys, so I want all the help and hydration your girl can get. Like I said, this does retail for $79, and it does say it is a luxurious lightweight facial oil infused with precious trio of rose extracts to help smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin with a luminous glow. Thank you. Thank you very much. I love that. This is something I was really excited to hear that we potentially could be getting. Now, don't quote me. There are channels out there that will tell you the guaranteed products in your Boxyluxe, and then there's channels like me who just tells you what was in my Boxyluxe. So two separate things, guys. I like to kind of be surprised, so I get a general idea of what I can expect, but I never peek. You know what I mean? Like some people love to peek and know. I am not one of those people. The next thing I'm going to talk about is by Fresh. This is the Soy Face Cleanser. I've heard amazing things about this, and it does have a retail value of, wow, $48. That's expensive. Wow, I just use CeraVe, however you say it. But I heard this is absolutely amazing. It's a full-size product, just like all of the products in here. It's for all skin types. I heard it's actually really good to remove your mascara. You don't have to do a lot of tugging or anything like that. So I'm definitely excited to try this out because, like I said, a lot of people have said that this was amazing, and I want to say that Sephora or Ulta had it on sale and people were like stocking up on it because it's that good. The next item we got is a Daily Concepts hair wrap towel. Now I want to say I did receive something like this in a different subscription box a while back, and I've heard really good things about them, but I gave mine away. So I will go ahead and keep this one and try it out. But this, like I said, is called the Daily Concepts Your Hair Wrap Towel. It does have a retail value of $18. It says this hair towel wrap helps reduce frizz, maintain healthier hair by cutting the time of blow drying and heat exposure. Why did I give the other one away? That sounds amazing. Okay, so this item right here is by Ciate London, and I actually will be popping a video up over here for you guys. This is the confetti highlighter. This shocked me. Okay, so this actually retails for $32. It says achieve a sun-kissed glow with the Ciate London confetti highlighter featuring a mix of shades that have been carefully pressed together for a radiant highlight. You guys see that? This surprised me so much when I opened it up. I don't know if my camera is focusing, but do you guys see all the different colors in here? It is so cool. It's so pretty, and it really does have like this bronzy glow that if you just like dove your finger around or rubbed your finger, whatever, if you try and swatch this, I don't know why the words are so hard for me right now, but if you try and swatch it, you'd be like, oh, that's too bronze. But I mean, it's on my cheeks and it looks so pretty. I will tell you, it does kind of accentuate some of my crow's feet, but it's so pretty that I'm willing to let it slide. And I was actually really wanting this, and I think this was a choice item again, but again, I was fine with whatever. This is the CosMedix. And this, hold on, I have not opened this one. Ooh, you guys see this? I want to say Tati uses one of these, and it's supposed to, I think, help stimulate the collagen or stimulate the circulation. That's what it is. Stimulate this. I sound like a flippin' idiot today. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what my deal is. I am just like all over the place. I've been like a multitasking mama, and it's not even Monday. It's actually Tuesday, but I don't know. So I'm gonna just go ahead and apologize to anyone I'm irritating right now. Anywho, this is supposed to be really amazing. It's really heavy and they're really expensive. I know that because after I saw Tati using them, I was like, ooh, I want one. And I remember I priced it and I was like, I'm not paying that. Yeah, they're $69. So very, very happy to get that. I did buy one off of Amazon, a cheapy one, I think for 10 bucks. I didn't do nothing. I did not do anything. So anyways, very, very excited to receive one of these. These are like really nice things to receive in the Boxycharm, especially if you wanted one, but you didn't want to spend the $69. This is another thing you're gonna get. You guys are gonna see me trying on. This really shocked me. I have it on right now. This is the Too Faced Rich Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. And this is in the shade Crazy Rich. You guys, I don't have any of these. And so I was like, whoo, that's pretty. It's so bougie. And I'm pretty sure it's part of that Erica Jane collection from like a year or so ago. But this color is so pretty. It actually reminded me of one of, I think it's the Huda Beauty Trophy Wife. It came in a, my best friend got me the Kiss set thingy. And I want to say it's going to be a good dupe. Wow. I hope you guys couldn't see that from back there. Had lipstick down there. Hashtag hot mess life, judgment free zone. We love that for us. Anyways, this is really pretty. It's really comfortable. Your hair is going to get stuck in it. So if the wind blows, you're going to have that. So anywho, moving on. We did receive, and I've never heard of this before. This is the M Green Grass Beach Air multi-use for body, face, and hair. So this is a dry oil spray, fast absorbing. It says it's fast absorbing multi-purpose dry oil spray formulated with a blend of high quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving soft skin behind a bunch of stuff. Ooh, I smell so flippin' bougie, guys. Oh, yes. I don't know if you guys can tell. Oh, it's not like an oily. Oh, you know what? Haley would love this because she's always been about texture. She doesn't like lotiony. This is so nice. Oh my gosh, I love the scent. I love the scent. You are amazing. And you can put this in your hair, on your face, and on your body. I need that. You guys, all the time I'm constantly saying I need all the hydration I can get. Let's put some in my hair. It's hair washing day. Let's just do it. Ooh. Did it do anything? I don't know if I'm going to really be able to tell. Anyways, there we go. So this has a retail value of $36. It smells expensive. Like, it's literally one of those products that you smell nice. Okay, last but not least, we've got the Power Up Dual Face Setting Mist. Helps to set makeup, energize, revive skin, filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. Hi, can I bathe in you? So I have never heard of this before. It looks like it's called In Beauty Project. I don't really know. It does have a retail value of $32. It says it's an energizing face mist. It's a pick-me-up you need to get through the day and night. Special bi-phase formula instantly activates and transforms as you shake it. Really? Oh, it looks like there's a little bit, let's see if it'll focus, like a little bit of bubbles through there. Like oil maybe? Glow, hydrate, and energize. I'm not mad about it. However, I have an abundance open right now. So I'm going to chill out on that. I'm not going to open that up. So that is everything that I got in the box. And the retail value of everything in this box, hold on, let me move this. The retail value of everything in this box, guys, came to $390. Is that not amazing? I think that this box was a very great box, very good box. I love the fact that I got a nice mix of skincare, makeup, you know, skincare tools, anti-aging things. Like I got a highlight. This was a really good box. $49.99. I like this. I really do. Everything in here I'm gonna use. I smell bougie, I look pretty, I am very happy. So thank you again, Boxycharm, for sending this box over to me to review. I greatly appreciate it. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxyluxe and receiving this quarterly, I will leave my Boxycharm link listed down below for you guys. That is an affiliate link, but I will tell you guys, when you sign up for Boxycharm, make sure to share your referral link as well, because you can earn Boxycharm Charmer rewards to shop with. So even before Boxycharm started sending me PR, I was already pushing out that referral link and using those Charmer rewards to purchase things. I tell you guys this all the time. This is how I have a stock of Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist, because I would save my Charmer rewards, and every so often I would stock the store and I'd find amazing things to buy. So definitely share that referral link, your Boxycharm referral link, because when people sign up, you also get free things as well. So it's definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. So anyways, guys, make sure you subscribe, because I will be coming back and unboxing the standard box for you guys as well as the premium. I'll be putting things up against each other. It's about to go down up in here. Like I said, don't forget there are 2 giveaways still going on my channel: the Rakuten $100 Visa gift card and the Alter Ego Aurora palette is going on as well. So make sure you subscribe. Check my description box down below for my Boxycharm link and how to enter into those giveaways. And until next time, friends, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Don't forget I have a second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs, where your girl's random, like even more random and all over the place than over here. Here I try and be somewhat professional, but obviously the struggle's real, so there's that. Anyways, guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!